Hi everyone. So this week, more than any week so far, I wish that we could have class in person so that we could address what is happening across the country and in Portland right now. For far, far too long, systemic racism and violence against black and brown bodies has been allowed to continue, despite the work of so many black leaders and other advocates working for accountability and safety for their communities. We need a world that offers safety, opportunity, and dignity to all people, and most especially those who are trying to survive and thrive after generations of oppression and exploitation. This week's planned topic for biology was to be about how skin color evolved in humans and its biological purpose. In biology, race does not exist. The reason is, within each racial category, there is so much variation and uniqueness that there is no line that we can draw to separate people into categories. However, even from a scientific perspective, racism does exist. We can see racism and its effects in the disparities or the differences between who is able to own their home, access a college education, be offered a job with more power in society, and who is more likely to be charged with a crime. We know that the effects of systemic racism, the blame does not lie in the people who are being oppressed. The blame lies in the society that is causing the oppression. This week's topic covers only the evolutionary history of skin color in humans, and the short film is one that you've actually seen before in class this year. But now that you've learned so much more about biology, I wanted you to see it again in order to gain a deeper understanding of evolution and human biology. But in light of everything that is happening, I want to also acknowledge that light skin privilege is not only real, it can affect every aspect of our lives. I know that the people who experience racism on a regular basis are tired and they are hurting right now. Those of us who don't have to experience racism every day have a duty to speak out right now and to speak out every chance we get, and support those who are working to make the world a better place for our black and brown skin brothers and sisters. We have a duty to interrupt racism every step we take, everywhere we go. And I want you to know that I'm there with you, that I'm thinking of you all, and that I'm proud of you. This is our last week of class, and as always, if there's anything that I can do to support you, please let me know. Take care, everybody.